Grade 2 Organizing Writing. Organizing writing is like putting together a story or a picture book. We start by introducing what we want to talk about, then we add details in the middle, and finally, we finish with a nice ending. For our steps, first, we say what we want to write about. Then, we add more details to make our story more interesting. Finally, we end our writing by wrapping up everything we talked about. We start with the main idea, detail, explanation, and then the conclusion. Question: arrange the sentences in order from beginning to end. Is it A or is it B? To tell a story, sentences should go in order. Some time-order words tell you that a sentence is about the past, present, or future. Put the sentences in order from beginning to end. The time-order words and phrases can help you. For example, Rachel will get her own phone soon. She is going to call Donna first. Next, she will call her grandma. The sentence about Rachel getting her own phone must go first. It tells you what the story is about. So for our final answer, the correct answer is letter B.